Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Do you all like stories? Yes, everybody likes stories. So today we will learn a story. This is a story about children from two different countries. They develop a bond of friendship and they understand that really there is no difference between these two countries. Okay, children, can you tell me some values that we should have in our life? Yes, we should have the values of happiness, harmony, love, peace, isn't it? There are so many values. We should develop all these values in our life. So this chapter, this story is based on such values. So children, shall we read this touching story? Take your textbook, term 2B, page number 6. Lesson 1, Lost and Found. Moti, Moti. Zeenat was looking for her pet dog. So Zeenat is searching for her pet dog. What is the name of the dog? Moti. Okay. Hearing her, Sangeeta, Deepak and Javed rushed to Zeenat. So all these are children. Okay. All three asked in a chorus, "What's the matter? Why are you shouting?" Chorus, C-H-O-R-U-S. Chorus means asking in a same voice. Okay, three of them asked together in a same voice. What happened? Why are you shouting? Zeenat was in tears. She said, "I can't find Moti. Where could he have gone?" So Zeenat, her pet dog, is missing. So she is searching for Moti everywhere. So she is almost in tears. She couldn't find the dog. All the children gathered together and so they started searching. Sangeeta was observing the fence a little closely. Observe means to watch. Fence. Fence means compound wall. Okay, it's a type of compound wall, fence. She found some branches of a bush crushed. C-R-U-S-H-E-D, crushed. What is the meaning of crushed? When you press something, no, its shape changes. That is crushed. You can crush a bottle and all. Here the bushes. So this fence is made of bush. So many bushes are there at the fence. And there a little part is crushed. "I think Moti has gone there." Sangeeta pointed her finger to the other side of the fence. So the other side of the fence is another country. So this side, these children are standing on this side. So Sangeeta is saying, "I think Moti went to the other side through this fence because the bushes are crushed here." Okay. Zeenat made her way through the bushes. So she also went through that way. One by one, all of them went over to the other side. So all the children, how many were there? 4 children. Zeenat, Sangeeta, Deepak and Javed. So all of them one by one, they went to the other side. They looked around. This side of the valley was also very beautiful. So they reached the other part of the country and they are going there for the first time. They were looking everywhere around. They were surprised because the other side is also the same thing. Also very beautiful. The same mountains were watching over the people of the valley. Okay, valley means in between two mountains there will be a plain. That is valley. Okay, so the same mountains were watching over the people of the valley. The tall green trees were also similar and the same water stream was flowing on both sides of the fence. So children understood that whatever they have in their country, the same thing is here also. There is no difference between the two countries. Okay, the nature is same. Mountains, trees, water, everything is same. They looked around for Moti until they were tired. So they were searching for Moti everywhere. They were calling Moti, Moti and searching. And they were tired. Zenith saw a small tin shed at a distance. Shed, you know, a shed made of tin, metal sheets. So she saw a tin shed at a distance. She asked others, shall we go and sit there? We can take some rest and then again look for Moti. On the other side of the border, there was panic in their homes. So these children came from the other side of the border. Okay, the fence was a border. Okay, border means the fence that separates the two countries. It is the border. On the other side, from where the children came, there was panic. Everywhere people were searching for the children. Okay, they found that the children are missing. So they were afraid. They were panic. Okay, they were searching for the children everywhere. The children were missing. Panic means what? A sudden feeling of great fear. Okay, so everybody was afraid. Where are the children? The children were missing. The parents could neither eat nor sleep. They looked for their children all over and returned home feeling hopeless and helpless. They were hopeless because they couldn't find their children. They have no hope. Okay, hopeless and helpless. Suddenly, Sangeeta heard Moti barking. So 4 children were missing. So now Sangeeta, they are on the other side of the border, heard Moti barking. Deepak, Zenith and Javed ran towards the sound. They were overjoyed to find Moti running towards them. So they saw Moti running towards them. So they were overjoyed. They were filled with happiness. Jumping with joy, the children slipped into their village through the bushes. So now they are happy. So they came back to their village. Through the bushes they went to the other side, and through that bushes they came. They slipped. Slip means to come silently without anybody noticing. They just came to this side of the border. The parents heard their voices and rushed out. So everybody was feeling panic and they were sad, sitting sad in their houses. Now they heard their children's voices. They were about to scold them, but before they could say anything, the children started narrating the incident. Narrating means to tell the story, what happened. Okay, the children went in search of Moti. They went to the other side of the border. The other side was also the same way how their village looked like. That's all incidents they narrated. Everyone listened with interest. So they didn't scold their children. Everybody was listening with interest because nobody has gone to the other side of the country. Okay, that's the border. It's a separation, okay, between two countries. So nobody has gone to the other side. So these children went and they narrated what happened there. One day, Javed's neighbor Adil saw Moti going to the other side through the bushes. So another incident. Another day, Adil saw. Adil is Javed's neighbor. So Moti going through other side through the bushes. So this Moti used to go every day like that. He immediately shouted, "Stop him, Javed, stop him. That is the enemy side." So Adil is feeling that the other side of the border is enemy side. Okay, so he told Javed, please stop Moti going to the other side. That is enemy side. It was a holiday. Javed, Adil and Deepak were playing the game of horse riding on the branch of a tree. In the picture you can see. So as it is a holiday, you people also will play, isn't it? So likewise, these children also were playing. They were sitting on a branch and playing horse riding. Okay. This tree was very close to the fence. All of a sudden, they found two boys staring at them from the other side of the border. Okay, the fence was there. This tree was very near to the fence. So when they were sitting on the tree, on the other side they could see two other children, two boys staring at them, looking at them. Javed asked them, "Do you want to ride a horse?" It seemed like both the boys were waiting for this invitation. Invitation means the call. So they were waiting if they will call or not. They were waiting for that. They said yes and came in through the bushes. They came to this side of the border. Javed asked them their names. They were Shaukat and Sajad. So the two boys that came from the other side was Shaukat and Sajad. So here on this side we have Adil, Javed, Deepak. Okay. Adil was not happy about the new boys joining the game. So Adil thought that the other side that was enemy's side. So he was not happy with the boys joining them. He pushed Sajad down and pretended as if he had slipped while playing. So Adil just pushed Sajad from the tree branch and he fell down. And Adil was just pretending that nothing has happened. He hasn't done anything. Okay, is it good, children? Why didn't Adil like the other children? So, for today, only this much. Okay, we'll read the next part. We'll study the next part of the story in the next class. Okay, children. So, read the textbook very well. You should read 3 times. Okay, children. So, meet you in the next class. Thank you.